Hey everyone, Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. We're going to go over what sold on eBay this weekend. Once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Definitely go down there and click the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. And anytime there's this video, please click the like button. That lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job, and that lets me know I'm doing a good job, that you guys like the content to make more, and other people will see the content. So let's go over what sold this weekend on eBay. We actually had some pretty good sales. We're going to go over all that. The eyeglasses are back, the contacts are gone, so you're probably going to be seeing more eyeglasses videos and all this crazy glare that I hate. So just bear with me, and I apologize for that. So let's get right into the items. First up, we have this vintage 175 piece Gottinger old bouquet serving utensils. These are silver plate flatware, for those that don't know. I always wanted to say gold dinger for some reason, and it's not gold dinger, it's Gottinger, or I think it's go dinger. Go dinger. Anyways, that's what the branding looks like. That's what the maker's mark looks like. If you're out in the field, definitely look out for that. There's some of them that sets actually go for a pretty good amount of money if you can find them in the box and they're in good condition. So this is definitely a Bolo brand. I want to say I took a best offer for 100 and something on this, and I'm not completely sure what the price was. I think it was maybe like 175. But this was something that was listed literally on Friday and sold this weekend. This will be shipping a large priority, which is nice about flatware. Is it can tend to be very heavy when you start to get into the 175 piece neighborhood. So things like medium flat rate and large flat rate are definitely a way to go to ship these things. Next up, speaking of silver plate, we have a Christoffel silver plate Dragonfly Lulubai Lulu. I don't even know how to say that. Libby Lulu. Forget it. If you know how to say that, please leave it in the comment below. Flower heavy art deco. This actually sold really quick too. I think I listed this even Thursday or Friday. This was a very, very heavy piece. Now, this isn't pure silver. It is silver plate. It is an older item and a limited edition item, I think. And so this sold very quickly. If this was actually pure silver, that would have actually been really cool. I think this thing weighed, did I say how much this thing weighed? Yes. 1 pound 7 ounces. So basically almost getting the price for if it was solid silver. So a pretty good piece. This is actually in really, really amazing condition. The patina on this was actually spectacular. And I think old silver, when it begins to tarnish, just really, especially if you can keep some of that luster, really looks incredibly awesome. We took a best offer for 200 on this. This was one of those things that I listed either Thursday or Friday and sold this weekend. So it was a very, very nice sale. Next up, we have this vintage NBA Los Angeles Lakers satin starter jacket. This thing was absolutely mint condition for being something from like 1989. This thing was just amazing. So someone must have wore this a couple times and literally just put it in their pocket, put it in their pocket, put it in their closet for like 30 years. This is amazing, amazing, amazing piece. Some starter jackets are definitely Bolo brand, especially if you can find some of them from the mid to late 80s, and especially those that are in amazing condition. I want to say I took a best offer for 116 on this plus $13.99 shipping. This will ship in a medium flat rate box. I probably could squeeze this into a flat rate bubble mailer, but I've been getting into the mood of shipping jackets in medium flat rate boxes and large flat rate boxes, just so that you don't want to just cram something as beautiful as this jacket into a poly mailer. It's just so unprofessional. But anyways, I'm kind of going off on a little bit of a tangent there. And so definitely a great sale for this weekend. And we had some Lakers stuff that came in, and we sold everything but one item this weekend. So I'm very happy about that, especially with the new lighting background and everything. This jacket really pops. And I just got to get a male mannequin that matches our female mannequin, so that when we do male jackets and shirts and things like that, it'll actually look a lot better. But this was an amazing sale. And as a matter of fact, I probably could have put this on the female mannequin, as these things tend to be like unisex, to be honest. And so definitely a great sale. Starter jackets, let me show you what the logo looks like. Look out for that logo. That is a Bolo brand for sure, especially if it's in a good condition. Speaking of Los Angeles Lakers, this warm-up jacket was part of that collection. This is a beautiful warm-up jacket. This sold for $33.99 plus $13.99 shipping. This will ship in a flat rate. A medium box, a beautiful, beautiful warm-up jacket, mint condition. As you can see here, the photos were done very well. I'm very happy about the photos and just trying to learn more and more. I got a new camera also, so we'll be doing some more testing with photos. And I'm really starting to fall in love with the whole taking photos of clothes. I used to hate clothes, to be honest, and now I'm just it's revigorating to, or invigorating, I should say, revigorating. I'm making up words here. Um, it's I don't know. I'm just finding a new passion for clothing and product photography. Next up, we have this women's Loro Piana cream off white silk cotton V-neck sweater, a size 48. This sold for $49.99 plus $13.99 shipping. This is another beautiful piece by an amazing brand. This is probably my favorite women's clothing brand, Loro Piana, to photograph and to sell. This brand sells very, very well compared to the other brands that I've listed since working for the society. I always love this stuff. I look for this stuff, and anytime it comes in, I'm definitely snapping this up and taking photographs because this stuff sells very, very well. Next up, we have this vintage Coleman Desert brand camping canvas water bag. I just really pumped in all the keywords in that one. Look these up, water bags. You find these every once in a while in yard sales and estate sales. People, I don't know, like it's just like kind of some rustic home decor. I probably could have put rustic home decor as some more title keywords in here. But this sold. We had this listed for a couple months. I thought this would have went for a lot more money than it did, but it did sell for $42.90 or $42.49 this weekend. We had a sale, and I usually try to do some sales every weekend to kind of clear some of the older stock out, and it's been working. So we're going to keep doing that. So definitely go down there to the link and follow us below if you want to see some deals, and definitely send us some best offers. Local pickup is available if you're in the Burbank, California area. Definitely go check out our items. But anyways, this desert bag was a beautiful condition. This was one of the things that was actually almost was sent to the pulled out of the discard pile. So this is actually a really cool thing that I'm very proud that I found this piece, and that it was considered something that one individual might think is junk, but I saw potential in this, and I was correct when I looked some of these water bags up, and this sold for $42.90. I want to say 94. My dyslexia is kicking in again. Next up, we have this new skin. I don't even know what these are. Facial gels. These were sealed, 2 boxes. There wasn't any expiration date, but there was some weird code on this. So anyways, I sold it as is, sealed product, no expiration date. This is another thing that I pulled out of the bin that could have saw its demise in some particular way, but I saw potential in this item also. $42.49. This was sold. I've seen these sell as high as $30. So look out for this brand. Let me show you if there is even a logo for this brand. I don't think there is. New skin. I don't know what anyways, this sold. This is a good sale. Next up, we have this Tasmanian Devil Girlfriend 1999 Valentine Snow Globe Warner Brothers Looney Tunes thing. This was listed on Friday. This sold this weekend. Sold actually today. I took a best offer for $30. This is one of those things. We got in a huge collection of Warner Brothers stuff. And that's what one of the cool things about working in Burbank is we get a lot of donations from Disney, Warner Brothers, Nickelodeon, and every once in a while we get a few boxes of things in that, I don't know, someone's cleaning out their desk. I don't know what they're doing, but we get in collections of things from time to time, and this happens to be a Warner Brothers collection that came in, and there was a few things that I listed also on Friday from that collection, and a lot of this stuff we actually put in the shop. There was a ton of Funko Pops I put out for $3. So by the way, if you're in Burbank, definitely go check out our shop. The address is going to be below. But anyways, this thing was like in mint condition. A beautiful piece, perfect for Valentine's Day, and so this sold really, really quick. Speaking of Loro Piano, we got a woman's peach long sleeve. This was one of the original Loro Piano pieces that I photographed. As you can see here, it was on the old mannequin. We didn't have the new lights, and as a matter of fact, even the sheet was not right. But this is one of the things that sold. One of the, or I should say, one of the early things that I put on that I listed. This sold on one of our sales, $50.99, and this will ship tomorrow. Really cool stuff. Next up, we have these original Heidi OTT dolls. We sold another one of these before in the past. We have 3 of them. As a matter of fact, I'm probably going to drop the price on the other one tomorrow. Monday is usually pretty much a shipping day and a reevaluation of the different things that I have listed. So I'm definitely going to be looking to drop some prices tomorrow on the last doll. But anyways, this sold. I want to say I took a best offer for $35 on this. These are vintage dolls. They're handmade from Switzerland. They're actually pretty cool. Really, really high quality. I think the face is completely hand painted with acrylic or something. And then there's some kind of weird like rubbery plastic material that's used for the faces. I'm not completely sure what it is, but they're high quality for sure. I wouldn't even doubt if this is real human hair or something like that. But anyways, they're signed, each one of these on the back. I thought we'd get a lot more for these than we did. But, you know, I've been sitting on these for the last 3 months, so I definitely just want to get rid of them at this point. They're really nice dolls. So look out for Heidi OTT as a Bolo brand if you can get them cheap enough. Once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. Kind of a short video today. There's the different things that we sold in the shop this weekend. I'm pretty sure there's going to be more stuff selling in the next 24 hours. So we'll do another video in a couple days. I really appreciate everyone's support, all your comments and likes and all that. I love reading your comments. Leave a comment below. Also, if you can remember on the back end to check out my dumpster diving video, which I'm going to put up there if you've made it this far. So once again, I'm Chris, the Thrift Shop Hustler. I know the glare, the glare of the glasses. I will see you next time. Take care.